Hello and welcome new Writing Center tutors. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate Blackboard in order to find your online asynchronous training modules. So first, you're going to want to log into your Blackboard, and in the top left-hand corner, you're going to click on the tab for Organizations. From here, you're going to see a list of your organizations, and you're going to click on Student Learning Center. We are the Writing Center, so for our purposes, on the left-hand side here, you'll see a bunch of different tabs. We're going to click on Writing Tutors. Here is all of the information that you guys will need for the entire semester, which we will definitely dive into during in-person training. But for our purposes up until then, you're going to focus on the Writing Center pre-semester training folder. Here you're going to see various information, and I would like for you to start with the introduction. This dives in a little bit into what each level will have to do, when things are due, and who belongs to that particular level and will be training for that particular level. From here, if you would like to go back, you can either click the back arrow or you can simply go to the top and click on Writing Center Pre-Semester Training. Then I would like for you to watch a short welcome video from our lead writing mentor, Pa, and myself. After you're finished with that, you can continue on to your Level 1 Tutors Training folder. Here you will find 6 different modules and the time that it will take for you to complete each one. This will be about 3 hours of work, which you will be paid for, but I do suggest taking some time in between them and not just sitting down and completing them all in one valiant effort. When you are finished with that, you can go back and read our closing. This includes some important dates and other things to think about before you come to in-person training. If you'd like to go back, you can click on Writing Tutors. Here you'll find contact information for Pa and myself, as well as our master training schedule. This is great to have on hand for when you come in person, and it looks like this. So you all are Level 1 tutors. This is all the information for your asynchronous activities. You'll see that on Tuesday it's Level 3 only, so you do not need to come. Wednesday, Level 1 new tutors and our Level 3 folks will be coming. Level 3 starts at 10 a.m. However, Level 1, you all do not start until 10:30 on Wednesday. All writing tutors will join us on Thursday as well as Friday. We have a total time for training hours here. And again, some important announcements and contact information at the bottom of this. Please let us know if you have any questions. Feel free to reach out to either Pa or myself. And we look forward to seeing you all next week. Thank you.